Welcome, welcome everybody. We're glad you're here. Let's do a big round of applause for our team up here. There's a whole bunch of people that have worked really hard to make this happen, and I'm so glad that you've come here for the first day of Christmas for Science Claus, and we're excited. We're going to try some new things. I only ask one thing from you, to have a curious mind. When you see something, wonder, how is that working? What's going on? Think about questions you might ask. And we're going to try our best. These things, sometimes they work and sometimes they don't. But we're going to do our very, very best. So I would like to show you some of the, as our slides are going, we got a lot of people who have helped us with this, to put this on, so you guys could come free. A round of applause for our... Also, Wayne Township Education Foundation has acted as our sponsor for all this. Where's Lisa at? Lisa's hiding around here somewhere. Lisa? She's still hiding. We'll get her later. The reason that we do this, besides we love children and we love science, the reason we do this now is because in 1825, a scientist from England by the name of Michael Faraday, famous guy, look him up, he did the very first Christmas lecture for children. Before then, it was only for the rich and the famous to do science. And so, believe it or not, there's one of his quotes, "To make a fact my own, I need to see it. A fact seen is a fact possessed." So he likes to try things, and so do we. And so, a couple rules for the show. First of all, I've seen this strange dog around here. Sparky. Have you guys heard of Sparky? Sparky is our Wayne Township Fire Department mascot. And Sparky wanted me to tell you a couple things. Number one, we have exits. We have an exit here, there, two on stage. And I learned something from Sparky. And it's hard to understand dog, but my granddaughter helps me. She knows dog. Here's what he said. People come in the door and they think they're supposed to go out the same door. Oh, nice dog. So don't go in, if there was an emergency somewhere, leave the very closest door. Don't try to go back out the door you came. That's a good rule for your life. Okay, number two, there might be some loud noises. We'll have you cover your ears if there's loud noises. And sometimes there might be some flames, some fires. And don't try this at home. Like, I'm sure Sparky doesn't care if I walk around the house and have some fun and, hey, here we go, and all that stuff, lighting up my fire. Hey, Sparky, we have to light a lot of fires on this show. What if we do the fires in a safe manner? You know what he's saying? He's saying in case of a fire, and this is the science part of it, in a fire, show me which direction heat goes. Up. Heat and smoke goes up. So if you're a fireman or a kid and there's smoke or a fire in your house, don't walk like this, doity. All it takes is 2 breaths of bad air and you're in trouble. Sparky walks like a dog on 4. He gets down and he also wears this. That is not oxygen. Since the air is bad here, he brings his own breathing air with him. So if you ever need help, learn the fire safety rules. Learn, stop, drop, and... I thought it was boil. Stop, drop, and boil? Stop, drop, and roll. Okay. And call the fire department. And so we're going to be safe today. To make sure, everybody count your fingers. Let's see. Make sure you have that many fingers at the end of the show, okay? All right. Let's see next. Oh, if you see dinosaurs, run. I am no help for dinosaurs. If you see dinosaurs, find the closest exit. All right, next. Before we do that, I would like to show, this is my, let's see, guys, everybody join me here. So having some trouble with my, here we go. There we go. It's weird, thank you. Sparky got my thanks, Sparky. All right, so I want to light up my candle. So as you use your science eyes on this, and what you see here, if you use your science eyes, you see a solid maybe, a gas, a liquid, all three states of matter. If you describe this, what would you say? Anybody? Did I hear wax? Did I hear candle? But that's not how a scientist would say. A scientist would say, I see flame, I see light, I see a cylindrical object. And my name is Rick. Here's what you got to remember. Ready?
I'm Joe Cardoza. I'm at Ben Davis High School.
I'm Caleb Garwood. I'm at Roby Elementary. Keith Ramsey, Bridgeport.
Justin Abner, Maplewood.
Kayla Cruz, Wayne Township Preschool.
Round of applause for our team. Does anybody still think that was a candle? Bunch of strange kids. Let's do our first project.